Hey, what's going on, guys? In this update video, I want to tell you a little bit about my upcoming plans for this coming weekend to head off to Tokyo, Japan to cover the finals of GBWC for you and what all that's going to entail. Also going to have a meetup while we're there and some other cool stuff. So a couple of other real quick things first. Number one, there's going to be a new episode of Gunpla News over once again on USA Gundam Store's channel, the USA Gundam TV channel. So I'll put the link for that down below. Guys, head over there if you want to see this week's episode of Gunpla News. There's some cool stuff coming out that I'm talking about in this week's episode. So check that out if you want. Of course, subscribe to the channel if you want to stay updated for those news videos that are going to be over there. And on that note, one concern that I know a lot of you guys raised last time was that am I still going to cover like third-party resin kind of kits, that sort of thing? And yes, I will, but I'll cover those in a separate video here, just keeping that here on my channel. I won't have that this week for you guys because I'm kind of busy wrapping up Frame Arms Month and other things and then getting ready to go to Tokyo. So maybe next week I'll have a video out for you guys about some updates, about some resin kits and things like that that are coming out. So I will still cover that stuff here on my channel. So yeah. And then yeah, just the other day was the deadline for the 100k Hyakushiki themed contest that I was having. So thank you to everyone who took the time to enter. Those of you who entered but weren't able to finish your entries by the deadline, that's okay. Thanks for, at least starting your entry, showing some interest in the contest. That's always good. So I've got all the contest entries now. I'm going through all of those and I'll get the results out to you guys as soon as I can. I just have a lot of those to go through, of course, so it'll just take a little bit of time, but we'll have the winners announced for you guys before I'm off to Tokyo. So that'll be coming in the next couple days. So stay tuned for that. And so yeah, this weekend I'm off to Tokyo to cover the GBWC. I was planning on going and then I was not planning on going, and then after Tim was announced as the winner of the USA and he'll be going over there to represent the USA, I thought, alright, I'll go. It'll be a good chance to go over there and meet up with Tim, hopefully get some interview or some time covering his experience there while he's there. Also going to be meeting up with a friend of the Gunpla Talk show, Aaron Simmons from Australia. He's going over there to represent Australia, so I'm looking forward to meeting up with him as well. And anyone else who we can meet. Those are the two GBWC winners who I know that I'm friends with. But whoever else we can meet up, we'll try to chat with them as well. Also, Friday evening, going to be having a meetup in Akihabara. And so I think what we should do is what we did last time when I had one maybe like 2 years ago. Meet in front of the Akihabara Gundam Cafe around 8 o'clock. If you guys, if you're there in Tokyo traveling or whatever, if you live in Tokyo or if you want to come and you're going to be a little bit later or something, just send me a message to my Facebook page and then I can let you know where we're going after that. We'll meet there around 8 and then we'll go to some nearby place, restaurant or bar or something, to go get some food, drinks, whatever, just kind of hang out. Tim will be there, Aaron will be there with us, so we'll be able to hang out with some GBWC winners there as well, so that'll be awesome. I'm looking forward to that. If any of you guys are traveling in Japan at the time or living nearby, hopefully you can come out and just hang out with us. And then lastly, the other thing that I'm going to be working on while I'm there is also any updates to my Tokyo Gunpla guide. If any of you are unaware, I've made a Tokyo Gunpla guide before that is just available in PDF form, so you can print it out or just download it to your phone or tablet or whatever. If you're going to Tokyo and you want to do some shopping, it has a very extensive guide of a whole bunch of shops, mostly in Akihabara, but there's some other ones in there as well, and some other Gundam sites. Of course, the Gundam base in Odaiba is there as well, with the 1/1 scale unicorn is there, of course, and then a couple other sites in there. So I think it's a pretty extensive guide, and hopefully it's been helpful to anyone if any of you have used it or if you are hoping to use it. But there are a few updates that I need to make, so I'll be working on that as well while I'm there. I'm only going to be in Tokyo for a couple days, but it'll be enough to get some cool coverage for you guys. So some of that coverage will be on this channel, and then I'll put some of the GBWC coverage as well over on the USA Gundam TV channel as well. So some of that will be here and there. So again, just make sure you follow that channel if you want to stay updated for that stuff as well. So those videos will be coming out, as soon as I get back from Tokyo. It'll be Monday night, and then I'll be working on that stuff and hopefully get those videos out for you as soon as I can. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Like I said, if you want to check out Gunpla News for this week, head over to the USA Gundam TV channel, and that's going to be it for today. So I'll see you guys next time. Have a good one. Bye-bye.